Japan is no stranger to earthquakes, with as many as 1,500 recorded yearly. Minor tremors occur almost daily. Japan has this many earthquakes because four different tectonic plates converge below the country's surface. The ever-present threat of earthquakes has turned the country into a world leader in earthquake-proof construction. In Japan, all modern structures have been designed for seismic activity. Strong building codes are in place for structures of every size. Buildings less than 3 stories high must have reinforced walls and large foundation slabs. Those of at least 3 stories have even stricter rules. They are often disconnected from the land around them, a technique called base isolation. They rest on huge rubber or fluid-filled shock absorbers that take the excess energy from an earthquake and convert it into heat. The taller a building is, the greater the risk. Very tall buildings must rest on some sort of shock absorption system. They must be able to sway from side to side without sustaining permanent damage. The top of a building, for example, may need to move as much as 3 meters in either direction. These ideas are all very modern, but newer technology and ideas are always being tested. Recently, Japanese engineers have taken the idea of base isolation to another level. They have devised a system that actually raises a building during an earthquake via a cushion of air. The air is forced between the building and its foundation. This lifts the building up to 3 centimeters off the ground when necessary. Additionally, more device building materials are being looked at. One Japanese architect has designed structures that utilize cardboard, tubes, and wood. These materials result in a much lighter building than one made of concrete. Plus, they perform better during tremors. Earthquakes can be scary and dangerous, but the death and injury caused by collapsed buildings is avoidable. Some of the smartest minds have been working hard to keep people safe from earthquakes, and they will continue to find new ways of doing so in the future.